Yeah, now I'm a motherfucking monster. Maryland, I gotcha. Stay on that MD shit like I'm trying to be a doctor. I go worldwide with my flow, though overseas I'm spending euros. Paparazzi snapping photos, Rat Pack with me, yeah, we out this bitch. I remember when they told me I wouldn't amount to shit. Now the amount that I'm counting in my bank account is a mountain to a mountain, flow like fountain out in somewhere that you never heard. And I ain't never stopping, that's my word. I'm talking out in the islands, the shorties be wildin' the way up in Canada. They be demanding the way that I damage the stage when I kill it. Don't even be speaking my language, they feel it from Paris to Germany. You know they heard of me, cause I be wording my verses so perfect. The best shit I gotta be, ain't no one hot as me. Don't even try to be promised, I'm about to be worldwide. Worldwide, worldwide, worldwide. On stage looking right in your girl eyes. I'm talking worldwide, 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 worldwide. About to take over the whole world. Yeah, now would you look at your boy, mama? I'm all grown up. I hit that stew and I lit that fuse. I'm about to be all blown up. I hit the stage and spit that shit that make them all throw up their hands and I spit that shit so sick it make them all throw up. Okay, wait, now hold up. I had to crawl before I fall. 6 feet tall, but I felt so small. I ain't had shit, so I wanted it all. Yeah, and since my mama's name is Dawn, it's only right that her son rises with the light. Let's get it on. I'm giving it all that I got for as long as I can, so I got the whole world in the palm of my hand. Now these bitches is wishing to call me they man. It's like all of a sudden I'm part of the plan. I can't tell if they want my heart or the dough, so I promise I never will fall for a fan. So I just dedicate my heart to the flow. When I make it, just know I do it all for the fans. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. On stage looking right in your girl eyes. I'm talking worldwide, 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 worldwide. About to take over the whole world. I'm talking worldwide, 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 worldwide. On stage looking right in your girl eyes. I'm talking worldwide, 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 worldwide. About to take over the whole world.
I do so much work. I want to kill myself for not having that much work.
Bitches say they love me, but how which how did you get to know? Cold motherfucker, make them freeze like it's Timberlow. These chicken heads love it when I pull up in the coupe. Then they salty cause that Bobby Saxon girl is who I scoop now. Speaking on contraception, y'all not ready for conception. Wasn't even expecting cause you too busy neglecting. Step to the mic and deliver like 9 months. All these rappers claim they lyrical, ain't even rhyme once. I be in the cut, laughing like Nelson Muntz. Cause I'm living and striving while the motherfucker vibing. Now Batman in a room full of Robins. They should call me Mr. Freeze cause I put diamonds. You ain't in my league, you jokers is poison ivy. All these two-faced motherfuckers would never get by me. Cause I can see everything that you doing. The moment you did it, the second I ruined. The greatest to ever do it, I'm chewing. I gotta believe it, that's what I'm pursuing. Cause all of y'all don't even know what you're doing. I take what you're building and leaving it ruins. I got class, so much class, but all of y'all be truant. You can ask the world, yeah, they know I do it. Rat Pack, till my pulse flat. N-I-D-I-E, scratch that. I'm immortal through these verses, can't you see? Cause even if I die, my words will never fade through visionary. Watch me fuck the world till I'm on top, we call that missionary. Milk the game for all it's there, respect my bread and get that cheese. $1 million deals, I turn that down with ease. Bitch, please, never went to college, but I got degrees. From this fire that I'm spitting, leave you shitting in your pants. I got sounds that make you think, make you smoke and make you dance. I'm the most versatile rapper that you ever heard, that's my word. No, I ain't cocky, I'm just assured. I'm so MD, my verses ain't delivered, they're referred like prescriptions. My flow rock like inscription, make sure you listen carefully. Cause my shit be coded up like an encryption. Can't you see that we be
worldwide, 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 worldwide. On stage looking right in your girl eyes. I'm talking worldwide, 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 worldwide. About to take over the whole world. I'm talking worldwide, 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 worldwide. On stage looking right in your girl eyes. I'm talking worldwide, 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 worldwide. About to take over the whole world.
This joint for the fans in the stands with their hands in the air, wave left to right. For the kings and the queens in the penthouse suite, living lavish lives. This joint for the fans in the stands with their hands in the air, wave left to right. For the kings and the queens in the penthouse suite, living lavish lives. Lavish, lavish, caviar with a bad bitch. Chevis out the chalice, show my people round my palace. Yeah, we lavish, lavish, caviar with a bad bitch. Balance in my talents, my black card ain't maxing. Yeah, we bout it, ounce in the foes who doubt it. Spouting the flow out my mouth like a fountain. Pose of a stallion, driven like Aston. Hold up, roll up, hit it, pass it, riding high, sitting low. My name fried, but I'm getting dough. From the starting line to the end zone, we running the game and that's all that we know. And I'm coolin' just me and my team, G to a T. Tell me who haven't got beat, who on the steam, who I'ma be. One of the best with immaculate steeds, and I rap to the beat with an accuracy. Gotta master the craft when you after the cheese, trap to the sweet, pedal to the metal, never settle for the one, never settle for the beat. I'm one of the best though. Swimming and women perfected the breaststroke. Nevertheless though, I'ma keep it 100% to the death though. I stack that cheese like pesto. On tracks I beast like Pecto. Just know that I'm ready to ride if you ready to slide, dip low like techno. This joint for the fans in the stands with their hands in the air, wave left to right. For the kings and the queens in the penthouse suite, living lavish lives. This joint for the fans in the stands with their hands in the air, wave left to right. For the kings and the queens in the penthouse suite, living lavish lives. We lavish, caviar with a bad bitch. Chevis out the challenge, show my people round my palace. Yeah, we lavish, caviar with a bad bitch. Balance in my talents, my black card ain't maxing.
Let me get it like this, hold up. Get it like this, hold up. Fuck around, get the blunt rolled up. Let me load up, never know what might go down, shown up. Motherfucker wanna bluff, had enough of the rap pack, never that. Let me get it, I gotta get it like a motherfucker that wanna hit it all night. That's right, just here for the light. Fuck around here for the night. On the road to success, never veer to the right. Here for the fight, everybody here alright. Shout out to Juice and Mojo for show though. Quoted this verse in Soho, oh no, I ain't fucking with no hoe. Bitch, you cannot get a photo in the back of the photo. Solo, dolo, dolo. Bitch, I'm too alive. Never talk about suicide. Let's be talking about both of the doors on my new arrive. From Maryland way up to Boston, yeah, we be flossed, and that shit be do or die. Right now it's you and I. L-O-G-I-C-I, no I. Get down, bow down to the man with the crown.
This joint for the fans in the stands with their hands in the air, wave left to right. For the kings and the queens in the penthouse suites, living lavish lives. This joint for the fans in the stands with their hands in the air, wave left to right. For the kings and the queens in the penthouse suites, living lavish lives. We lavish, caviar with a bad bitch. Chevis out the chalice, show my people round my palace. Yeah, we lavish, caviar with a bad bitch. Balance in my talents, my black card ain't maxing. I got caviar by the boatload, fellatio by the throat load. I'm living the shit that you dreaming about, and I won't go back to the old school. These old hoes seen old hoes. They old news, my rollie got a rollie. I'm double timing these old